Nice, beautiful thumbnail. All right, another video coming at you. I'm gonna do some openings, but I'm only gonna do these 4 right now. All the rest is to come very soon. Put this over there. This over there. My handy dandy camera operating holding system. Beautiful. I'm gonna take these 4 Nightfall blisters out of here. We got 16 Wilderness I'm gonna open, and a spell book and a booster box later on. I've already opened the first 8 blister packs beforehand. You wanna check out that other video. Handy dandy holder. Boom. Holding, doing its thing. Alright, so start with the first one. I got one of each art too, so I'm gonna do my whole nerd thing that I did last time. I don't know if you guys saw that video, but very cautious on this. Actually, I saw another thing. Let's see if you can do it. If you basically cut from the bottom here where this plastic liner is, you can kind of slip out the what's it called? The pack without frigging it up. Okay, I might just end up cutting myself doing this. You know, never point the knife towards you, kids. You know, I just stick with doing it the way I did it before. Very difficultly. That's what it is. Alright, you know what? 1 second. I have to reach around you. The whole point of this is because I want to try and preserve the case. So, as I stick that in there, this knife isn't sharp enough. It's a crappy thing. Did I screw anything up? It's going to be an extra long video, so y'all can just skip ahead. Probably like 35 minutes. However long this takes me to do. Alright, cool. Incision made on the bottom, so now I should be able to just boom, coin, boom, plastic, topper. Nice. Then you got the art in there. Beautiful, beautiful art. Got a nice Jersey Devil promo. Very nice. And then nice purple pack. Okay. So I'll do all the other nerd stuff at the end. Right now I'll just kind of open it from the back again, so alrighty. Let's see what my first pack consists of. Do the 4 trick card to the front. You know, we slick like that. Alright, lightning split. Oh, thank you, I forgot to smell them. I'm a rookie at this, sorry. Alright. Lightning split. Zombie token. River. That's so fun. I waited like 2 weeks to get that card. Lightning. Bell buzzard. Wallowed cake crustacean. Familiar. Halloween ghost. Bubbling brew. The purple blob of Philadelphia. Witch's lightning. And ooh. Boogeyman reverse. That's cool. That's cool. Alright. On to the second pack. Jeez. This is gonna take me forever. I apologize for my my rude opening. But I'm just so pristine about this. I like it to And I have a nice YouTube channel in the future with my my consistent 3.5 viewers, because I know that one guy's always gonna be having me on in the background noise while he's taking a deuce. So I'm that guy sometimes. And maybe I can start making videos every day of me opening some cool stuff, and if the time comes down to it and I'm good enough, I can maybe start giving some giveaways. That's cool. It's got a gold star on the bottom. Never even realized that, instead of the silver. That's cool. I did not know that. Alrighty. Time for my other weird opening. The only reason I'm doing it like this too is just because I'm only opening up these 4 packs, and it's all 4 of the fan art different colors on it, the orange, purple, black, and green, so I want to make it for a display in the future. So I keep them nice and pristine. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. Ooh, nice non-hollow Mothman. That's a good card. Alright, Dynamite Token. Farm. Frost Aura. Belled Buzzard. Ludwig. Fearfoot. Trinity Amulet. Bubbling Brew. Spooky Kite. And Witch's Lightning. And Bell Witch Reverse. Favorite reverse heavy set. Most of the cards I get in packs are usually reverse hollow. Those packs over there. Time for the 3rd pack. It's only been a 12-minute video so far. Oh, cool. 11. 7. Oh. I'm being a little dramatic then. It'd be so much easier if you get an X-Acto knife. Do yourself a favor, and if you're going to be doing the weird stuff I'm doing right now, get an X-Acto knife. Definitely helps out with pulling the cards out, making it a smoother cut too. Snip. Oh my lord. It's about to bust. Come out. There we go. It's a little crooked down there, no worries. Good old Wendigo on the back of that. I hope that means I'm gonna get another full hollow Wendigo. Be extremely nice. Unfortunately, I feel like I'm gonna get another reverse hollow, like Lightning Split or something. Lightning Alley, maybe. Adam Ackler. No, I feel like I'm gonna get a reverse hollow Momo. That's what I'm gonna get. Seem to get that card a lot. Boom. Obsidian Obelisk. Zombie Token. Fog. Flame Aura. Alexander Hound. Lightning Elemental. Poltergeist. Excavation. Banish. Simultaneous Bioluminescence. Zombie Apocalypse. And Poltergeist Reverse Hollow. Close enough. Alright, let's put these cards to the side again. Oop, sorry. Alright, last pack for today. Gotta give myself something to do Monday to Friday, so I'm gonna open up throughout the week. Alrighty. Last pack of the day. Let us cut. Still hoping for a full holo Wendigo, that'd be nice. Let's not waste anybody's time. Boom. Crazy Critter, Bald Mountain, reverse. Yeah, very reverse heavy in this set. Crystallized Light, that's nice. Really love the art on these. Napa Rebulbs. Coolio. Man. All that's all, folks.